Hello again, everyone. So today we're going to go ahead and draw a bee, like an insect. So first we're going to go ahead and start with the bee's body. So we're just going to do like a, kind of like a sideways oval. And then we'll go ahead and do his head. So we'll draw a circle on the top. We'll go ahead and give our bee a face. So we'll give him 2 eyes. And then pupils. So I'm going to draw the pupils in the center this time because the bee's head is going to be black, so we won't be able to see his eyes as well if we put the pupils at the bottom. So we're going to put them in the middle, and then we're going to go ahead and give this bee a nice big smile. So then we're going to go ahead and give the bee some antennae. So we're going to draw 2 little stalks, and then 2 little balls at the top. And this bee is going to have a little stinger at the end. Not all bees have stingers, but this guy is going to have one. And then we're going to go ahead and give him some legs. So we'll put like 6 little curved legs at the bottom. Since he's an insect, so he's going to have 6 legs. And we'll go ahead and add some stripes to this bee. We're going to make these black and yellow stripes. Okay. And a bee definitely needs some wings, so we're going to give him some wings on his back. So just go up and all the way around. And then we're going to add another wing on the back and just attach it to the body right there. So now we're going to go ahead and outline our bee with a black marker. So take our black marker and we'll go ahead and start out with the body since that's the biggest section. All right, and we'll go up to do his head. And we'll do his little smile. And then the eyes. We have to be pretty careful right here because you gotta fill in that pupil in the center too. Just like that. And we'll do his antennae. All right, and we'll go down and go ahead and do his legs here. And his little stinger at the back. And we'll come up and outline the wings. And the other one. And then the stripes on his body. Okay, so now I have him completely outlined. We're going to come in with our eraser and erase all those pencil marks that we have on there. That's the nice thing about doing it in pencil first, because you can, after you outline it, you can go back in and erase all those marks. So in case you make a mistake while you're drawing, you can erase the pencil. All right, brush all that off. So I'm going to use this black marker that I used to outline the bee. I'm going to go ahead and color the front part of his body in with the black. All right, and we're going to go ahead and color the back of his body. This little rear end at the end here. And we're going to go ahead and color his little stinger in black as well. All right, so this bee is going to have black and yellow stripes. So we're going to leave this one right here. We're going to leave that one because that one's going to be yellow. So we'll just skip over and color this one in black. And then we'll go ahead and skip the next one. That one will be yellow. And then this one's going to be black. All right, and then we're going to go to the head and we're going to go ahead and color it in black as well. Just be careful around the mouth and the eyes when you're coloring because they're very tiny. I like to outline around first and then color. Color all that in. Okay, now that we're done with the black, we're going to go in with our yellow. And we'll go ahead and start on the stripes, using this nice bright yellow to color those in. Just like that. And I was also going to color in the top of the antennae in that yellow color too. And for the wings, I'm going to go ahead and use this nice light blue color. And you can just leave them white also, but I want to give this bee drawing a little bit more color. All right, and last thing, we're gonna go ahead and do the bee's mouth. So I'm just gonna use this red color for his mouth, just like that. And that's how you draw a bee. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like, because I have more videos on my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.